Somebody's up from their nap. Laying on mommy. And she's still asleep.
Maybe I fudged a few details on a couple of anniversaries.
No, Jim. 8 anniversaries. 8.
8? There was no 8. What are you talking about 8?
She's sleeping on my legs.
Yeah, 8. Damn it. 8 out of 15. 19, right.
You told me that my mom used to drink cocoa out of a mug like this after you go ice skating.
Oh, Cheryl.
Her eyes are open.
Story. I'm even all choked up.
You lied. And this stupid thing.
Sheep on wheels? Stupid? Do you know how hard it is to find a sheep on wheels? I mean, you can find a
She's
sheep on
asleep.
wheels. But try coming up with a story on
Look at that leg. Look how long her leg
And
is.
my personal favorite?
That's her leg.
The wood
See
plane.
the little beanies.
A wood plane, Jim?
Cheryl.
Little beans right there.
These wooden shoes.
It goes from here. Oh.
You suck.
That's a long ass leg, and that ain't AI. That's just
If you would have caught me with that
how long her legs
the
are.
other several eyes wouldn't have happened.
So, as you can see, here's my feet. And I call her Nurse Oreo.
You know what? You even admitted to it.
When?
Well,
Because,
6 months. We're having drinks at the Palmer House.
she's been trying to nurse me back to health. Bless her heart. She won't be able to do that, but only the Lord above can make that happen.
We have a growing relationship.
But here, like I said, here's my feet.
Fine. I'm gonna go
She
grow
knows
up.
I'm in extreme pain,
Wait, Cheryl, stop. Before you
and she's just trying to lay on me, so she thinks that will help me not feel no more pain. Like any other doctor that cares about a patient. She just wants the best for me.
Ice works fast, heat makes it last.
Now it looks like she went back to sleep.
La Roche-Posay, the #1 dermatologist recommended
But
brand for
there
discoloration.
she is.
Mela B3 serum, 90% show
My
dark
17-year-old
delivers smoother,
therapy
radiant
cat.
skin for all skin tones. Mela B3 serum,
Tail.
La Roche-Posay.
Once I get grandma this
When she was younger, someone slammed the door on her tail,
plate number,
and surprisingly, we didn't hear her.
generating offer.
But
Mama can pick
they
it up.
slammed the door on her tail and caused some of her tail to have to be amputated.
Ultra-filtered milk makes every moment
And
with 50% more protein and 50% less
my
sugar.
husband had to end up
Makes that smoothie
paying for the doctor bill.
Fairlife.
If she didn't go into surgery to have her tail, the part that needed to be amputated, then she would have had infection built in, and she would end up dying at an early age. Like, she's trying to. She's like, as a stretching. Yeah, somebody at this house. I'm pretty sure we know who it is, but slammed the door on her tail. So when I woke up, I found that part of her tail laying on the floor with a trail of blood. And how in the world we did not hear her meow loudly or anything is beyond me. Maybe she was in just so much pain she didn't know how to. Were you sleeping, honey? You go back to sleepy. This light, though, also blinds her. Oh, I try not to keep it on her too much, but anyway, she had to have surgery on her tail. So the part that fell off, they gave it to me. And so when God does send her home to be in heaven with the Lord, I'm going to probably depends if she gets buried, I'll bury her with her tail so that she's whole again. And if she's cremated, I'll ask them if they can
Home improvement. Oops, I did it
burn
again.
her tail, the piece that I've got, along with her.
Dermatologist with home improvement. Coming up next on Laugh.
So that's what's going on with that. So right now she just, Nurse Oreo's laying on her mommy's lap. These are my legs. You can see my foot move. Because I can't walk right now. I'm just, man, the pain that these are causing, it's unreal. Anyway, just wanted to show you my little Nurse Oreo here. My 17-year-old kitty cat. And she loves her parents more than anything. See your little beans right there? Look at that, little beans. Little beanies. She's got multicolored beanies. Look. Some are black, some are pink. There's your other beans. See, that one's like half black and half pink. Or brown or whatever. That's just the color of them. She's a tuxedo. They have multicolored beans on their feet. Anyway, this is Nurse Oreo and her mom. She's sleeping on my lap. And I wanted to show you how sweet she is. She's laying on my lap. I cross my legs. And this is a sweet, sweet cat. Like, I don't know any cat that is this sweet. Yep, she's a miracle to me, and she's just an awesome, such a loving cat. I mean, she will love you with her whole heart and more. Like, you could just tell she has nothing but love in her heart for her parents. And I'm lucky enough that she considers me her mom. That's all I have right now. I could use some prayers, though, for healing, if any way possible. Okay, well, I'm getting tired, so I'm thinking I'm going to take a nap. I'm going to lay here with my baby girl. Alright, y'all take care. Bye-bye. Peace out.